Late payment? Yeah, it happens to a lot of people. Don't panic. In this video, I'll show you how to fix your credit score after one late payment, step by step, so you can get back on track financially. First, get a copy of your credit report from a major bureau like Experian, Equifax, or TransUnion. Review it carefully and make sure the late payment is reported accurately. If you see any mistakes, you can dispute them, which might help restore your score faster. Next, if the payment is still outstanding, pay it as soon as possible. Lenders usually report late payments once, so paying quickly shows responsibility. Even if it's late, settling the debt promptly can limit damage to your score. You can also call your lender and ask for a goodwill adjustment. Explain that it was a one-time mistake and that you've paid the balance. Many lenders will remove the late payment from your report if you have a good payment history otherwise. Make sure all your other accounts are current. Consistently paying on time is the fastest way to recover your score. Over time, one late payment has less impact if the rest of your credit history is solid. Finally, monitor your credit score regularly. You can use free tools or apps to track improvements. Seeing the score recover helps you stay motivated and catch any new issues early. And that's it. With these steps, you can fix your credit score after one late payment and get back on track financially. It takes some patience, but staying consistent really pays off. If you found this helpful, hit like and check out more tips for building good credit. Worried about your credit score dropping after a late payment? Yeah, it happens to a lot of people. Don't panic.